All over Wales, people are putting their trust in Plaid Cymru. They're standing up for their communities and for their country. Be under no illusion, we are living through uncertain times, worrying times for many. The Tories have become England's national party, and they have an unscrupulous focus on the protection of the southeast of England and the City of London. Labour are utterly divided and are making promises even they know they'll never be able to keep. Next, they'll be promising free kittens to every voter. We just can't trust either of them. So far, since Brexit, we've heard more about Scotland, Gibraltar, Northern Ireland and the City of London than we've heard about Wales. It's outrageous. Wales deserves better. We deserve better. Labour and the Tories in Westminster don't care about or understand our valleys, our coastal communities, our cities, our farms or our rural villages. I do. You do. Plaid Cymru does. We understand the unique circumstances and needs of our communities and our nation. We are solely focused on Wales and its success. And I know you are too. There's not only one country, but 4 countries in the UK. Unfortunately, at the moment, only one country, England, holds all the cards. But it doesn't have to be that way. There are 533 MPs representing England. Compare that to the 40 MPs who represent Wales or the 59 in Scotland. Wales can never form a government in London, and nor do we need to. This election is not about electoral majorities or about forming governments. As the SNP have proven in Scotland, having a strong mandate, not a majority, is what was needed to defend Scotland's interest at Westminster. We in Wales can do this too. That means by electing Plaid Cymru MPs across Wales, we can form a strong Welsh bloc in Westminster, with a cast iron mandate from Wales, completely focused on protecting the Welsh national interest, the things that matter to you. In practice, this means we will demand that all the money currently invested into Wales from Europe is replaced by Westminster. It means when the Tories bend over backwards to secure a trade deal with America, which will likely see UK markets flooded with genetically modified food produce and steroid-pumped meat products, Plaid Cymru will defend Welsh farming interests as well as consumers from cheap, inferior and unhealthy imports. It means when it's in London's best interest to sell off vital public assets like the NHS in order to fund the protection of the City of London, Plaid Cymru won't let that happen to the Welsh NHS. The NHS is a red line issue for us. We will continue to defend the Welsh economy with the same vigour and determination as we have in protecting the Welsh language and culture over the years. In short, a Welsh bloc of MPs at Westminster will stand up for you and be the voice that Wales needs, protecting our economy, our people and our nation. Those aren't just words. It's about your jobs, mortgages and pensions, about our health and education. It's about Wales commanding respect and standing in the world. Plaid Cymru is the party of Wales, the party of the people of Wales, the only party that truly represents Wales. Students, pensioners, workers and those currently going through difficulties, Plaid Cymru will fight tooth and nail for you. Plaid Cymru MPs were recently recognised by the House of Commons Library as being the most hard-working Welsh parliamentarians at Westminster. It's time we do more of what's working and less of what's not. It's time we elect even more Plaid Cymru MPs to defend Wales's interest during the Brexit negotiations and beyond.
We are ready to fight for Wales. I trust you are too. Come on, let's do this together. For Wales. Diolch.